Have you ever felt quietly sad, not crying, not loud, just a deep, thoughtful heaviness? That feeling has a name, and that name is melancholy. Melancholy means a gentle, thoughtful sadness that lasts for some time. It is not sharp pain or extreme grief. Instead, it is a calm, reflective sadness, often mixed with nostalgia or deep thinking. The pronunciation of melancholy is melancholy. Melancholy can be used as both an adjective and a noun. As an adjective, it describes a mood or feeling. As a noun, it refers to the state of being sad or pensive. As an adjective, we say, a melancholy song, a melancholy mood. As a noun, we say, a sense of melancholy filled the room. Let's explore melancholy synonyms to understand it better. Common synonyms include sad, pensive, sorrowful, gloomy, and wistful. These words describe emotional heaviness, but melancholy is softer and more reflective. Now, let's look at antonyms, words with opposite meanings. Antonyms of melancholy include happy, cheerful, joyful, optimistic, and lively. These words describe brightness and emotional energy, unlike the calm sadness of melancholy. Here are some real-life example sentences. She felt a melancholy sadness while reading old letters. The rainy evening created a melancholy atmosphere. There was a touch of melancholy in his smile, as if he missed the past. Notice how melancholy often appears in stories, music, poetry, and emotional moments. It helps express feelings that are deep but quiet. Understanding words like melancholy helps you express emotions clearly and naturally in English. It adds depth to your speaking and writing, especially when describing moods, memories, or reflective moments. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.